start today's session. So we started with what? Python. Because if you want to learn any course, Python full stack, data analytics or data science, whatever it might be, one programming language is mandatory. Without programming language, there is no use at all. So programming language is very, very important. So we are going to start with what? Python, right? In Python, first of all, sir, what is Python? Yes, tell me what is Python? Very good. Python, it is what? One general purpose programming language. If anyone asks what is a Python, inform that sir, Python is a general purpose programming language. Python is a general purpose programming language. Very good, guys. So by using this Python programming language, we are able to develop logics. We are able to develop logics. That is our main target, guys. So if you want to become full stack developer, data analyst, or data scientist, whatever the course it might be, first you should be very strong in programming language. Once you're strong in programming language, second target, you should be very strong on database. Programming language, database, two are important. If you're good in these two, then we are planning for other courses, right? In Python, our first concept is what? Tokens. In Python, let's start our first concept called tokens. So what is token? Simply say, if I want to develop any program, we need what? Some elements required. So those elements are technically called as what? Tokens. Like to construct this building, cement required, bricks required, iron required, okay, like water required, sand required, certain elements required. Mixing of these, building comes. Same pattern. If you want to develop program, then we need some elements. Those elements are technically called as what? Your tokens. The elements which are required to develop program is technically called as what? Tokens. The elements which are used to develop program is called as tokens. These tokens are 5 types, guys. They are, first one, literals. So second one is called constants. Third one is called operators. Fourth one is called as an keywords. So fifth one is called as an identifiers. Literals, constants, operators, keywords, identifiers. These are the 5 types of tokens we have. So let's observe one by one. Now, with the help of these 5, we are able to develop program, right? Tokens are how many types? 5 types. First one, literals. Second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, identifiers. So these 5 concepts required so to develop a program. So let's observe literals. First one is literals. Sir, literals is nothing but what? Simply you can say, sir, the values which are required to develop a program. Sorry, the values in our program. The values in our program is called as literals. The values in a program is called as literals. For example, so he's asking for, sir, please calculate my total and average. Now, what is your name? Suresh. Now, Suresh is asking for, sir, please calculate total and average of my marks. Okay, ma, I am ready to calculate. So, first tell me what is your subject marks. Hey, sir, sir. Tell me my total, sir. Suresh, possible? Without giving marks, total average? No, total average marks చెప్పలేదు నాకు బట్ నువ్వు ఏం అడుగుతున్నావు టోటల్ యావరేజ్ చెప్పని అడుగుతున్నావు ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ నో ఇఫ్ యూ గివ్ మార్క్స్ Then only I can find what? Total average. Otherwise, what? I cannot do it, right? So first what I will do, tell me, I will prepare a neat mark sheet also. Tell me what is your hall ticket number? What is your name? Then subject 1 marks, subject 2, subject 3 marks. Then I can calculate what? Total average also. Now student hall ticket number, student name, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3 marks, total and then average. This is what data. Now these values are technically classified into different types. Total what? So hall ticket number, integer number. Marks, subject 1, 50 sir, subject 2, 90 sir, subject 3, 95 sir. Marks, integer, total, integer, average. Sir, 65.4 sir, 65.8. Now it is called what? Point type data, right? Name, student name means string type data, sir. So Venkat sir, Vishnu sir, Vamsi sir, Avinash sir, Suresh sir, right? That means the values are technically called as what? So the values in a program is called as literals. Basically, these literals are classified into 4 types. The first one is called integer literals. Integer literals. Sir, what is integer literal means? 5, some numbers, 807486465. So these all are called as what? Integer literal. No points. If there is no point, it is called integer literal. Second one, floating literals. Floating literal, integer literal. Second one is what? Floating literal. So floating literals are what? 2.5. Hey, what is your height? Sir, 6.0, sir. Good. Sir, next one. What is your weight? Sir, weight is 64 kgs, 26, sir. 64 kgs, 23 grams. Sir, what is your body temperature now? 99.26, sir. Or 99.8, sir. Like we are having temperature. Now observe all this area, what happened? Point type data available. Point type data available, it is called as what? Floating literal. Third one, string literal. String literal. Anything which is enclosed within single quotes or double quotes. It is called as what? String literal. Within single quotes, Venkat, string. Within double quotes, Venkat, string. So anything, whatever it might be, even I wrote like this, guys. Second, this number. Second number. It is also called as a string. Even if you said 5, actually 5 is integer, but this 5 where it is available within the single quotes. Now it is called as what? String literal. Literal is a technical word. Literal is a technical word. So integer literals, floating literals, string literals. These are the 3 basic things, guys. Integer literals, floating literals, string literals. Apart of these 3, there is one more type available. That is called as what? Boolean literals. Fourth one is Boolean. So Boolean literals means true, comma, false are technically called as what? Boolean literals. We call as a values. We are human beings. That's the reason we call as a values. But this is what? Programming language. Technical word required. Technical word is what? Literals. The technical word is literals. So literals are classified into how many types? Literals are how many types? 4 types. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Very good. So we started in Python, we started a concept called tokens. Tokens are how many types? 5 types. First one, second, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Good, ma'am. Tokens are 5 types. First one क्या है? So integer literal. Sorry, first one is what, man? Literals. Second one is what? tokens are 5 types. Tokens are 5 types. What is the first one? Literal. Second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, identifiers. Literals are 4 types. First one, integer literals. Second one, third one, string literal. Fourth one, Boolean literals. Next, constraints. Constraint means simply you can say set the values which are fixed in our program. The values which are fixed in our program is called as constraint. The values which are fixed, no change, then it is called as what? Constraints. For example, pi value. Observe in our max, there is a value called pi value. Pi value how much? So the pi value is 3.14. Fixed, no change at all. Right? Constant. I said number of days or number of months per year. Per year, how many months we have? 12 months. Fixed, no change. Now we'll call as what? Constant. If the data is fixed, called as a constant. If data is fixed, then called as a constant, right? Interview time, how you will get a question? Interviews, how you will get the question? The question, I want to store vehicle registration number. Observe vehicle registration numbers in vehicle number plate there na? In vehicles, bike, car, whatever it might be. In the number plates, numbers are there. I want to save that number. So traffic constable click a pick. Then vehicle number plate number occurred, chalana occurred, everything occurred. So I want to develop that application. So first I have to collect the number, save it. The vehicle plate number comes under what type of literal? Inta, floata, stringa, boolean. Integer. Inka. Integer. Recollect. Vehicle, it might be bike or car, number plate. String. Int. How many say int? Raise your hands. Int. Good. String. Oh, good. Nice. How many of you know bike driving? How many of you have own bikes? Maybe father, mother, someone. Bikes on here? Very good. Recollect your bike number. What happened? 7911, like that, or else TS. If it is belongs to Telangana state, TS. Maharashtra MH. TS 0307. That means your number plate will be like this. So we have a number plates at TS 07 or 09, AB 001. Something numbers are like this one. Your number registration number contain only numbers or combinations. Combination also there. Alphabet also there. If combination occurred without second thought, go for what? String. Only number available int. Points available float. Combinations available are only alphabets available, go for string. Okay, string, good man, nice. So go for what? String type data. One more. Interview time, they will ask like this only. They never ask what is integer literal, what is floating literal. These type of questions never occurred. They gave a requirement, real-time requirement they mentioned, and they asked what? Answer. From real-time requirement, we have to analyze, think, and we have to give the answer. Right? One more, guys. Okay. I want to store, I'm developing one hospital related thing, guys. Hospital related data. So in hospital related data, my target is I want to store a patient related information. Okay, patient related information. In that one, patient related which data? Temperature. Patient temperature, I want to know. The what? Whenever you go to hospital, they will note down in your prescription, right? Patient related temperature comes under what type of literal? Floating. 99.5, sir. 100.1, sir. Like we have now floating. That means when you have to read the question, understand and write the answer. Okay. In today exam, guys, every day, I repeat, every day we have an exam. So today also after the class, we'll go there and we'll conduct the exam. We have to write the exam. In that exam, questions are based on literals only questions. How I am asking, I gave case study. What I did, bike registration number comes under what type of literal? Temperature comes under what type of literal? Like I gave you 30 case studies. Read case study, understand. You have target is what? Inta, floata, stringa. Which one I have to use? That literal name you have to mention. That's it. Nothing else. Okay? Good. Guys, for you, I will share all these notes. Don't worry. Today, after the session, I will share the notes in WhatsApp. Okay? Now, let's check here, guys. So, total 5 options available, right? Literals, constraints, operator, keyword, identifier. We finished literals and constraints. What is the third one? Operators. Okay, third one. Guys, we started with Python. If you want to learn anything, Python is common. In Python, first topic is tokens. As part of the token, total 5 available. Literal, constants, done. Now we enter into operators. Third one is operators. Third one is operators. Now let's understand operators. Sir, what is an operator? Anything, guys, whatever it might be, anything which can perform an operation is called as operator. Anything which can perform an operation technically called as what? Operator. So for example, I wrote 3 plus 5. Here what happened? Plus is an operator which perform operation on 3 and 5. So technical plus is operator. Why operator? Because it perform addition. 3, 5 are operands. I wrote A less than B. I wrote what? A less than B. If I wrote A less than B, here less than is operator. What it will do? Compare between A, B values. So A, B are operands. P dollar Q. Right answer yourself. Dollar is what? Plus operator, less than operator. Now dollar is symbol operator. Symbol. How many say symbol? Raise your hands. Operator. Runde ఉన్నాయి options. Either you have to jump this side, otherwise that side. See, plus what it will do? Addition operation. So less than comparison. Dollar, it never do any operation. Dollar is what? Representation. Money representation purpose, we mention a symbol called dollar. It never do any operation. So simply we can say dollar is what? Symbol. Because it is not going to do any operation. If not done any operation, we have to say that symbol. Anything which can perform an operation is called as what? Operator. Of course, guys, in Python, we have a lot of operators are there. In Python, we have different types of operators. They are In Python, we have different types of operators. Arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, shorthand, assignment operators, membership operators, so on. Identity operator, bitwise operator, like lot of operators available, guys. Arithmetic operators, symbols, plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulo division, exponent. Relational operator, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal, and or not equal to symbol, plus equal to, minus equal, into equal, division equal, floor division equal, model division equal, exponent equal, in, not in. These are the some basic regularly used operator. In Python, we have a lot of operators available. These are some basic operators. Yes, Rajaram, Sushma, Udaikaran. So we started with Python. I repeat, we started with Python. In Python, first concept is tokens. Okay. So as part of the tokens, we are working with what? Literals, constants, and operator. Third point is operator. You can learn any course, but first you have to learn programming language. In your roadmap, programming language is very, very important. So start with programming language, right? So up to now, do you have any doubts? If you have any doubts, please ping me in chat box. Up to now, if you have any doubt, ping me in chat box. Yes, my everyone online guys. Is it clear up to now? If you clear, ping me a message called clear in chat box. Up to now, whatever we discussed, if it is clear, ping me a message called clear in chat box. Good, fine. Now, we have what? Different types of operators available. But at present, we are not going to discuss all the operator. We will discuss only one operator. Arithmetic operators we will discuss. Remaining all operators, I will explain as part of module 2. Observe module 2, first concept is operators only. So, we are at beginning level. Don't go for high at a time. Basic level, start with basics. Slowly, step by step, learn. Then develop the projects, right? So, first target is arithmetic operators. Operators only. First, we are going to discuss about arithmetic operators. Here, main thing is arithmetic operators are used to perform calculations. If you want to do any calculations, then we need to go forward arithmetic operators. If you want to do any calculation part, arithmetic operators are mandatory, guys. Observe how to do these calculations, the basic part. Operator meaning example. So your operators are what? So our operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulo division, exponent. meaning. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulo division, exponent. This is the technical names, guys. Now, write the example. 7 plus 2. I hope you know the answers, kada? 7 plus 2. Pakka. What is the answer? 7 plus 2? Pakka. 9. 9 em. That's an answer. Write the answer 9. 7 minus 2. Write the answer. Very good. 7 into 2. Write the answer yourself. 7 by 2. 7 floor division 2. This one I will explain. Floor division. 7 modulo division 2. 7 square 2. Power. 7 square 2 means 49, guys. 7 square. Double star means square. 49. Here, 7 plus 2, 9. 5, 14, 7 by 2. These are three important. 7 by 2 means 3.5. We all know these answers. Now here we need to focus what double slash percentage symbol. Sir, if I apply double slash, what happened? Percentage symbol, what happened? Right? So apply your basic school level max. Apply school level max. So 7 by 2 means what happened? So 2. So here calculate. So 2 with what? 7. How many times cancel? 2 3s are 6. Balance is what? 1. Right? So here 3 is called as a quotient value. Technically, this 3 is called as what? Quotient value. This 1 is called as what? Remainder value. 1 is called remainder value. Quotient remainder. Double slash always gives quotient value. Double slash always gives quotient value. Sir, percentage symbol always gives remainder value. So here you will get answer as what? 3. Here you will get answer as 1. Double slash always gives quotient value. That too only in integer format. Percentage symbol always gives remainder value. That means whatever the left remainder, that value we are going to get it. In school levels, we did this type of things. School lo మనం చేసేవాళ్ళం గుర్తు తెచ్చుకోండి మా like 2 7 2 3s are 6 balance is 1 ఇలా చేసాం beginning time లో. Whenever you go for a little bit advanced, then what we did, point to 0 like this we did. Don't go for advanced level. మన school level ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా. First class second class maths we have to apply. Let's see practically this thing. So 7 by 2 single slash. Because of single slash, what happened? Single slash means we are going to get exact value. Observe 3.5. Double slash them. 7 double slash 2. Observe. Double slash will give you what? Only the quotient value, no points. 7 modulo division 2. You will get remainder value. Observe 3.5, 3, and remainder is 1. Clear as these points? As 7 into 2. 7 into 2 means what is answer? 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 పక్క కదా multiplication 14 7 double star 2 49 single star means multiplication. Single star means what? Multiplication. Double star means power. In Python, we have single star available, double star available. No triple star, superstar, double star, mega star, SNI. Only one star, two stars. That's enough. Okay, na? Now, I'll give 1 minute time just to verify all these one operator and process. Take 1 minute time. Observe the flow. Just take 1 minute time, then understand the flow. Now, if you want to start programming, first target is what? Basic max. Addition, subtraction, multiplication. Basic max is mandatory. For example, tomorrow you are going to develop one application related to Amazon or Swiggy, something else, some e-commerce related application you want to develop. Then what happened? Imagine one product cost is 300. Customer order for what? 2 items. Then our task is what? Into 2 required. So bill amount is what? 600. For the 600, imagine they provided 20% discount. 20% discount. Oh, 20% discount means on 600, 20% reduced. To go to what any website, 10% discount, 20% discount, discounts available. 20% discount means it is 120 rupees. So how we got 120 rupees? 600 into 20 by 100. This is the max we have to apply. If you apply this one and discount amount coming. So after discount, what is your final bill? ఎంత pay చేయాలి now after discount? 480 rupees we have to pay. 600 is the bill, 120 is the discount. So what is the amount I have to pay? 480 rupees I have to pay. What customer paid? Paid amount. Customer gave 500 rupees note. How much amount I have to return? 20 rupees I have to return. Go to any shopping malls, anywhere, this is a quite common process. Observe all operator, plus, minus, into, division. These are the basic operators. So you should understand how these operators will work. Once you have clarity, then project time. At the time of project development, it is very easy for us. So we have to learn operators. Understand why we are learning operators concept. So let's observe some examples now. I wrote Sathya plus tech. Sathya plus tech. Now, guys, what is the answer we are getting? Sathya tech only. This is a string value. This is also a string. Strings always appended. Sathya tech. I wrote Sathya plus space plus tech. Now, what will be the answer? Sathya tech only. Space tech occur. Sathya space tech. Sathya space tech. Clear? Now, 5 plus 3. What is the answer? 5 plus 3. 8. 53. My last. మీరు చెప్పండి. 5 plus 3 ఆన్సర్ తెలుగు హిందీ తెలుగేనా? ఆన్సర్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 8 వస్తుంది. ఇంకా హౌ మెనీ సే 8? రైజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్. సార్ 8 సార్. ఏమైందా? మీరే చెప్పారు 8 అని. ఎవరు హ్యాండ్ రైజ్? వెరీ గుడ్. మీ ఆన్సర్స్? 8 అయితే మన హ్యాండ్ రైజ్ చేయలేదు. హ్యాండ్ రైజ్ చేయాలి. రైటర్ రంగా సెకండరీ. ఓకేనా? గుడ్. 53. Observe first to Sathya Tech. Sathya Tech. So data is added. Added in the sense joined. Data joined. Here 5 plus 3. 5 is what? Enclosed with a single quotes. 3 is also enclosed with a single quotes. Now it is called as what? String. Strings are appended. Means joined. So answer is 5, 3 only. In case if I wrote 5 plus 3 without single quotes, then answer is 8. Okay. Let me show you. Ideally, if you install Python software, then we are going to get this window. I said 5 plus 3. Answer is what? 53. I said what? Only 5 plus 3. Observe, answer is what? 8. So single quotations available, it is called as a string. String means what happened? Data is appended. Only numbers means added. So 5 plus 3. So here what happened? Answer will be 8. Clear this one? For example, I wrote 5 plus, or I wrote Sathya plus 3. Now here what happened? One is string value, one is integer number. Error occurred, guys. No output. Now you will get error message. Now you will get what? Error message. Because the reason is what? Sir, one is string value and one is integer value. If you are trying to add string with integer, error. Even minus also. Sathya minus 3. You will get error. But Sathya into 3. Into 3. If you provide into 3, then we are getting output as Sathya, Sathya, Sathya. 3 times we are getting. Into means repetition operator here. Between strings, with the strings, into works as what? Repetition operator. So Sathya comes how many times? 3 times occurred. Ideally, here I said single quote Sathya plus 3. Single quote Sathya minus 3. Single quote Sathya into 3. So generally in Python, what you have to do, either both should be numbers, okay, otherwise both should be strings, then perform the operation. Either both should be numbers or both should be strings, then it perform the operation. One number, one string, ille, plus ille, minus ille, except into. Into how it works? Repetition operator. Into work as a repetition operator. So that we are going to get Sathya's 3 times like this. Let's observe one more example. For example, I wrote 5 plus 3. Let me take 5 plus 3. Guys, what is the value of 5 plus 3? 8. My 8 53. 8. Pakka. Raise your hands, mate. Oh, super, ba. Oh, super. You are good mathematicians, all are. 5 plus 3, 8 only. Very good. 5 plus 3, 8, huh? Okay, good. Nice. Let me ask one more question, ma. 5 plus 3, 8 అన్నారు కదా into 2. What is the answer? 16. How many say 16? Raise your hands. 16. 11. మా లాస్ట్ ఎంత వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్ చెప్పు తెలుగే కదా ఆన్సర్ ఎంత 5 plus 3 into 2. Ma, no programming knowledge, nothing, just basic maths. If you want to enter into programming, first, if I want to enter into programming, you should have basic knowledge and maths, addition, subtraction, multiplication, ravali. If you know these things, then only we can go. That's the reason I started from addition, subtraction onwards. Very, very basic level. I felt that you are LKG students. You don't know even addition, subtraction also. That's the reason I started from there. Slowly, I converted into programming also. Then converted into projects. Tell me answer. 5 plus 3, you said 8. Now what I did? Into 2, I said. Now what is the answer? 11 only. You said 16 na? Abhi bola na? Oh, sorry. Okay, take it. Change the answer. 11. Pakka. అమ్మాయి చెప్తుందని చెప్పావు కదా నువ్వు లేదా పక్కానా సరే సో హియర్ 5 plus 3 into 2. If you calculate 5 plus 3, 8, 8 into 2, 16. 3 into 2, 6 plus 5, 11. Two answers came. So what is the correct answer? Right? So before explaining this concept, let me give you one small scenario in your college. Back to your college days. College days, आपका college days. You want to meet your principal sir. You are waiting outside. So principal sir is busy waiting. So after 10 minutes, HOD sir also came to meet principal sir. Now principals are free. Now office boy come and he has to send one person inside. Outside who are available? You available? Your HODs are also available. Tell me, which person he allowed to go inside first? First ఎవరు వెళ్తారు? You are HOD sir. HOD sir. Why? Hey, sir. He is a respect because he has lot of works, right? For us a student, what we will do? Even work finished, directly went to classroom. Campus, entire campus room, then we went. So, but HODs have a lot of responsibilities there. Hierarchy wise, he is having highest priority. That's the reason first he will go finish the work, then student will go inside, right? Same pattern here also. If you have more than one operator, plus available, into available, then we need to follow operator priority and we have to calculate. If you have more than one operator, then follow operator priority. Operator priority. According to operator priority, so the first priority open close bracket. If anything is there inside of opening and closing bracket, that what we have to do first. Second priority power operator. Third priority multiplication, division, floor division, modulo division. Fourth priority is for addition, comma, subtraction. This priority. This is called priority. According to this priority, plus into. Observe, into have third priority, plus has fourth priority. That means between plus and into has highest priority. If you observe the priority, sir, into has highest priority. So do first this one. 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 is what? 6. So this changed as what? 5 plus 6. Answer is what? 11. 11 is the correct answer. In case. I understood this example, right? Good. Next, one more, guys. 7 by 2 into 2 plus 3. Here observe, sir, into and division both are having same priority. If you have same priority, Then calculate left to right. Then first you have to calculate this part. Left to right, we have to calculate. 7 by 2, you have to calculate first. 7 by 2 means what? 3, not 3.5. Just now we discussed it. 3 into 2 plus 3. 3 into 2, how much? 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3, how much? 9. Guys, if you want to become a full stack developer, data analyst, or data science, whatever it might be, this basic maths is mandatory. Full stack developer, very less e-commerce website comes, then they will use. But data analyst, data scientist, these two members, machine learning time, deep learning time, algorithm preparation time, we are getting lot of data. Sometimes values are missed. Your target is what? You have to identify, calculate the mean, median, replace the missing values. So lot of max is required, not lot of max, max in that sense, don't think that you are intermediate level max. Intermediate problem is what? I think 9th, 10th, intermediate something. Sin theta, cos theta. Do you remember? Trigonometry, geometry, something coming. The sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, ఆ theta ఇప్పుడు అవద్దు మనకి. అప్పుడే వదిలేసాం. The theta gaya. Now again not required. Now what is required? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Basic max bus. Okay. High level అవసరం లేదు. Basic max is enough. So learn whenever you are doing any calculation, just focus this part. Okay. I'll show you one real-time example. If you not follow these example properly, what happened? Real-time example, I'll show you now itself. I will write some program. Don't worry about the code. Just focus on the output. Okay. Do you know banks? Banks. Do you have ATM cards? I don't want one. ATM cards available? Very good. Banks providing loans, right? Good. One customer went to bank. He took a loan of what? 50,000 rupees. He took a loan. One customer went to the bank and loan. How much loan? Loan amount is 50,000. Yes, 50,000 loan available. Bank people asked how much time is required to clear the payment. Avana? So time period, how much time required? Sir, I need a time period of 2 years. Very good. Now, bank people use money with free of cost. Free is the money. Does they provide it free of cost? No, right? They will charge interest. Imagine for these 2 years, interest is 10,000. For 2 years, interest is 10,000. That means total how much amount I have to pay? Total amount to pay. How much amount I have to pay? 50,000 is actual amount, 10,000 is interest. Total 60,000 rupees I have to pay. But I said, sir, I can't pay 60,000 at a time. Month wise I will pay. That means per month, how much amount I have to pay? Tell me. Total 60,000 I have to pay. 2 years time period I have. Month wise I am ready to pay. How much? Use mobile phone also, no problem. You can use mobile phone, check the calculators and do it and tell me the answer. $2,500. Check chesara. Use your mobile phone, no problem. Use your mobile phone, tell me the answer. Total amount 60,000 I have to pay. I have 2 years time period available. Monthly small amount I will pay. So how much amount I have to pay per month? Yes, especially data analyst, data scientist. For you, these calculations very, very important. Because data analyst and data science, their main target is what? Predictions. Analyze the data. You have to inform whether your company is in profit or loss. So you have to be good in basic maths. 60,000 divided by 1 year, 12 months. 2 years in the sense 24 months. 60,000 divided by 24. And the 2,500. That means per month 2,500 I have to pay. Clear the process. Same task I will do as a program. Let's observe programming. But don't worry about the code. What I wrote doesn't matter. Just observe loan amount equal to 50,000, time period equal to 2 years, rate of interest. Imagine they charge 14.8 percentage. Sir, interest amount equal to loan amount into time period into rate of interest divided by 100. So final amount equal to your loan amount, whatever the loan amount we have. For that one, I have to add interest amount also. Now EMI, how to get EMI final amount divided by your time period into per year 12 months. Time period available year wise per year 12 months. Now I am going to print all the details. So loan amount is, guys, you don't worry about what I am doing because you don't know coding. So next one, interest amount is print final amount print EMI is. So like this, I did the code, guys. Okay. Right click, run. Observe clearly. 50,000 is your actual amount. 14,800. Man 10 and from we thought that 10, but actual interest amount is what? 14,800. That means total how much amount we have to pay? 64,800 for 2 years. And EMI per month, how much amount I have to pay? Next. Per month, how much amount I have to pay? Oh, what happened? Answer there only answer available. How much amount I have to pay per month EMI? Sorry, sir. 3,88,800 rupees. Your total amount is 64,800. But you said per month 3,88,800 pay. How, guys? 60,000 I can't pay at a time. That's the reason I said that month wise give me option. He said month wise 3,88,000. 1 month kidney, 1 month liver, like donate, then get the money, then I have to pay to the bank as a EMI. Then also not sufficient. Problem na? That means same program, observe small change I will do. The same program, not doing anything, same program, small change here. I just kept open bracket, close bracket, nothing else. Just open and closing bracket. Right click, run. 64,800. Then what is the amount I have to pay? 2,700. Now correct? That's it. Why means because of operator priority issue that problem occurred. So while writing programs, it is very, very important. This is one real-time requirement, guys. Banking people, they are using this one. I applied simple interest. Banks, what they are doing? Compound interest. Telugulo ఏదంటమ్మా చక్ర వడ్డీ బారు వడ్డీ simple interest and compound interest हिंदी में मेरा मालूम नहीं okay so simple interest compound interest मालूम simple interest bank people चलता now here your target is we need to develop that type of real time application banking application hospital applications e-commerce related application so metro related project is there na? So ticket generation that type of works we have to learn domain knowledge will come subject will come tomorrow if you go for interview easy to clear interviews instead of that one take one notes there one what heading 2 pages of notes writing then go to room open notes starting third world no use you are not going to write 100 marks exams right here target is concept real time where to use how to apply how to develop for every concept real time scenarios we have to learn then we'll get the subject learn the subject data stored implement soft skills is required so seminars group discussion mock interview and then what grand test weekly one exam. Like if you participated all these, then your skills are increased, guys, right? So this is about operators concept, guys. And then in tomorrow session, I'm going to explain about remaining two, guys. Tomorrow, what I will do, I'm going to cover keywords and identifiers. Tomorrow, I'm going to cover keywords as well as identifiers, right? So once again, Python, full stack, data analytics, data science are only Python, whatever it might be. Python is mandatory for everyone. That's the reason we started Python. Python means what? General purpose programming language. In that one, first topic is tokens. Then we started tokens. Total 5 types of tokens available. So literals, constants, operators, keywords, identifiers. We done 3 options: literals, constant, operators. Tomorrow, keywords and identifiers I will discuss. So the tokens finish, right? My 1 hour class katam. Next, what I have to do? We have to go for exam. No home, nothing. Okay, as I said, daily exam. Exam is what? Based on these two concepts. Literals. We have what? 4 types of literals. I gave some real-time requirement. Read question, write the answer. Inta, floata, stringa. That's it. So they will ask phone number. I want sure phone number. Phone number comes under what type of literal? Integer literal. 80748 number na integer. Like student name, I want show student name. What type of literal? String literal. Like read the question, write the answer. That's it. Right? Let's go for lab, guys. Online, guys. That's it for today, and we'll meet tomorrow, guys. Thank you, guys.